Fact 19. Jamaica was ranked 41 out of 206 countries in the Olympic Games. Yes, we are gone. We entered the Olympics in 1948 and in the Winter Olympics in 1988. Remember our first bobsled team? Yes, we did. And of course, nobody will forget the movie Cool Runnings with Bob Candy and Derice and Sanka. Yeah, man, Jamaica moving on up, and we go where no man goes before. We do have ice in Jamaica, but we're dep on ice in sports, and we're winning plenty medals all the way through. Yeah, man, looking forward to the next Olympics again. Yes, Jamaica, you're doing well. Happy Independence, Jamaica, and thanks for watching. You can follow me on my social media on Facebook at tanya.hernandez.9440234 or on my Instagram at Doraytee, Doraytee. You can also follow me on YouTube. Just put in Tania Hernandez or Miss Tania Lou. And you can also go on my website, TaniaLHernandez.com. What good?